Hey guys, good evening. Online people, am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Online students. Yeah, very good. SQL installed, how many are facing the error? Error. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 members, ఎందుకు అమ్మాయి చేయని ఎత్తుతలేరు? ఎత్తమ్మా చేయొత్తు. పాప మరి అమ్మాయిని అడ్డుకుంటారేమో అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓన్లీ 4 members. ఆఫ్లైన్, ఆన్లైన్. Online people only 3 members. Krishna, Raghu. What is the issue, ma? Krishna, Raghu. Mac OS. I think Anirudh share something, na? Mac OS users. Not working, Yeah, Mac users is very tough. You are the working employee or you are a fresher? Working. You never, how you are using the SQL in the office then? Mac users, how you are people working in the no need of current project? In the office also Mac only. Check with your employees then, Monday. Those who are working now, just check with them. So they are allowed to install other softwares in the office laptop. They are allowed. Yeah, check that. Please check the permissions. Please check the permissions. See, SQL is so many database servers are there. Like MySQL is there. MySQL is there. That's called SQL Workbench. Oracle is there. And IBM is there. And Microsoft SQL Server also there. Microsoft SQL Server also there. Like in Python, we have VS Code, we have Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm. In the same way, we have so many things are there. So first of all, Mac users is very, very tough because we are always habituated to only Windows. Very, very less people will use Mac in the entire India. If you go to the office also, they will give Windows laptop only. In the many colleges, everywhere they will give Windows laptop only. So Mac is a separate treat, Mac is. So please follow up with your only Mac. Please follow up with Mac friends. So if that's not possible, those who are facing error, anything is fine. MySQL is fine and Microsoft SQL Server is fine. Anything is fine. All the codes are 90% similar syntaxes. 90% similar syntaxes. You no need to learn all together. 90% similar syntax, same, not similar, not same syntax. Only 10% only small minute change hota, minute change. Microsoft SQL Server is given by the Microsoft Azure. Why we are insisting to do this based? Because I want to show Azure connection with Microsoft. Azure with Microsoft. So that my students can know about the cloud. So they can talk interview. I know the cloud, I know how to connect with that. Project means what? Read the data. How can you read the data? Either client will upload the data in the GitHub or client will upload the data in the database. Database means SQL. So you can prepare your project like the data set is uploaded in the Azure cloud because you know the Microsoft SQL Server, and we will see in the class how to connect with Azure in the upcoming sessions, so that you can explain in the interview. I know Azure cloud also, I know Azure SQL Server also. So that is a more visibility will happen compared to other students. So because every project is a cloud project only, my future. Not only future, now onwards, every project we will work with cloud only. In the real time, we'll work with cloud only. Every project. Every project is his voice is clear, ma? No? Not clear. Should I change the laptop? My laptop is memory is issue is there. Now clear? Voices? Okay, yeah. So every project will work with the cloud only. In the Google GCP, in the Google GCP, we have BigQuery will be available. BigQuery. అబ్బాయి విలు అర్జున్ని ఆ చైర్లు ఇస్తాడు. BigQuery. ఏసీ వస్తుందమ్మా? అరే ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ దట్ ఓన్లీ యూనిట్ టు సేరా. అరే ఏసీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ చిన్న. Otherwise suffocation will come. Suffocation leads to headache. Okay, headache leads to sleeping. Is my voice is clear, ma? Can you please confirm the chat? It's clear, ma? AC. So in the GCP BigQuery, in the Azure, Microsoft SQL Server, MS SQL. So concentrate on these two, ma. Concentrate on these two. So whenever you open SSMS, type SSMS, you will able to see like this. SQL Server Management Studio. Click on it. SQL Server Management Studio. You will able to see this page. You will able to see this page, ma. You will able to this page. Read each and everything. Login, connection properties, always additional settings. We are login here. We are login. For Mac Azure Data Studio. Extension. Azure Data Studio extension using VS Code. There is a database engine is available. Database engine. The server name will be available. Server name nothing but your laptop name. This is 5D84QR2 is nothing but your laptop name. That is your laptop name. Do you know your laptop name? No, what is your laptop name? Chinna Bujji Karnana. Settings. The control panel, you will able to see your laptop name. Control panel. The system, I think. You see, right? 5D84QR2. Click on the control panel, system and security, system and security, system and security, and there again system, third one, system. There will able to see your laptop details, how much RAM, what is the 11th generation and everything. The laptop name is 5D8QR2, same exactly that name only visible here. That name only. We install the Express edition, that's why Express edition. That is server name. And third one is Windows authentication. Here we don't have any Azure account. That's why Windows authentication. Tomorrow we'll connect with Azure account. If you see here Microsoft Intra, Microsoft SQL Server authentication, Microsoft Intra password. These all are related to Azure. All are related to Azure. So we are doing the Windows authentication only. Whenever you change to SQL Server authentication, automatically login password will come. Which login password? Azure wala. Azure wala login password. So like that we need to connect it. But here not SQL Server authentication. What is that ma? Windows authentication. There is a trust certificate is there. Trust. You need to trust the certificate. The checkbox, click on the checkbox. Click on the checkbox. Then connect it. Then connect it. Let me know. You need to click on that. The checkbox will not appear like that. It hide. The checkbox will be hide. You need to click on each every button. The checkbox will be hide ma. Click on the drop downs. It will be hide ma. It will be hide. Okay na? क्या रहा हीरो? Next. Now, whenever you open anything, any UI, क्या करना? Left side, right side, top side, bottom, middle. हाँ. ध्यान से देखो. Left side, top side, anything available, look at that. Take 5 minutes time. Observe the UI first. Observe the UI. Left side, it will move. Wherever you want to keep it, you can move. People will keep in the your left side only. It go down also, it go right also, it go middle also. It will move chinna. You drag it, it will move. You drag it, it will move. There is a connect option is there, connect. Connect option. Are you able to see your laptop name and SQL Express everyone? Able to see? Let it connect. Let it connect. Yeah, now network related specific internet and not connect to laptop 60Q. Microsoft SQL Server. SQL Express is లేదు కదా, SQL Express అని రావాలి. సర్వర్ నేమ్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే బ్రౌజ్ మోర్ కొడితే డేటాబేస్ ఇంజన్లోకి వెళ్తే ఇది ఉంటుంది ఇట్లా. ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎంజాయ్. Still anyone get error, Raja either? No one. So you're not able to see. Very good. Yeah. There are databases available. Databases. Database are available. SQL is very easy, ma. It dead easy than Python. Everyone can learn well. You no need of mentor also to learn the SQL actually. SQL and Power BI that much easy. Anyone can learn that is. This box will open by using called new query. New query. Click on that new query. New query. New query. Coming on new query. I'm making here. You can play like anything, okay? That's up to you. On karo. Don't sit idle, ma. Not connecting, huh? Like this only coming, huh? Give me a minute, ma. SQL Express should be आना चाहिए. Okay. Why it is not working for you? It is not installed properly. Why? Because when I click on here, so many should come. Install again. Delete all SQL Server related and install again. It works. I am repeating again, ma. The common mistake you are getting like this. Look at the board, ma. Many people are getting the mistake. Here, SQL Server extension should be there. For you, those are getting the SQL Server extension not there. Those are getting error. That's the checkpoint number 1. Checkpoint number 1. For that, you need to drop down here. If you go to browse for more, you are able to see database engine. When you click on place, he installed 2 times. One is SQL Express is there, SQL Express 01 is there. It automatically will come. So you need to check on the SQL Express and click on OK, click on the certificate and connect it. That's all. Okay, ma? That's what you need to do. Next, new query. New query. Yeah, I'm writing the query here. I'm just using this here. Here you are able to see master, ma, master. So mean the database name is called default master. The database name is what, ma? Master database. If you click on drop down, there is databases are available here. For you, no databases because we did not create anything. Model is there, MSDB is there, Arishad September is there, temp is there. The database is available in this laptop. Okay, for you no databases. Only one database is there because you are first time users, no? That's why master. By default, what is there? Master. So make sure that, like generally, we have these the things will be available. Look at the board. Any SQL server, the first one very important is called databases. Databases. Like you generally hear the term, right? Database. What is that meaning? Database. Total pura ka pura narashati ka data kidhar rehta? Database. Here multiple tables might be happen. Multiple tables. Table number 1, student details. Table number 2, faculty details. Table number 3, and course details. Maybe. Table number 1. So this is the table number 1. Table number 1. And this is another table. Table number 2. And this is another table. Table number 3. So 3 different tables. But all the tables are available where? Database. Where is available? Database. All the 3 are available in the database only. So first we need to create what? Database. Next we need to create table. Table को क्या चाहिए? How the table look like? Rows and columns. Correct? Table look like what? Rows and columns. So columns. Next what? Rows. First need to create the column. So that is only we'll follow that only. First we will create the database. Next we will create the table, and while creating table only we will mention the column names. But we already know data. Data means columns and rows. In the column different data types. Integer data type, float data type, string data type. In SQL there are 50 data types will be available. Money also data type. Like the data types will be there. Decimal data type, string data type, large string, big string, small int. So many data types will be available in the SQL. So our first focus is we'll create the database. So I don't want to waste the time on this. That's why I will not type. I will have directly files are there. I will open that and we will execute that. Yeah. I'm creating a new file. Yeah. First I want to create. This is the comment. This is the comment. Create database. Create database. Step number 1. Step number 1, create database. Download से ले. Download से. First one. I open wrong file. Huh? Yeah. So this double hyphen is nothing but comment, ma. Like in the Python code, what is the comment? Hash, na? Docstring, triple quotes. Here docstring is nothing but backslash star and backslash star end. How many lines you wanted? That many lines you can write it from starting to ending. Which means you can write like this. You can write like this. Backslash star. And from here to last again, start to backslash. Closing, ending. All are nothing but what? Docstring. Multi-line comments. Chalo, note down it. When you open a new query page, a whiteboard will pop up. Those who are getting error now, please check your friend's laptop. It is very easy. Take notebook and write the queries. If any online editor is there available in the Google, type in there. Online editor is also available in the Google. If you write anything in this page, this belongs to which database, ma? Master database. Now step number 1 is create new database. Create new database. Create new database. The SQL classes will continue, continue for the Saturdays only, and the recording videos, your respective batches, it will come to the recording videos. 5:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. Those who are opted recording videos, it will come to them. Because this combination of 2 batches, and you will get the recording videos. The recording video will not come, talk to admin. मेरा class हो गया 5:35 p.m. में Saturday, I will not get recording videos. He will provide. The syntax is very simple, ma. Create a database name. That's all. Create a database and database name. Create database and database name. Create database and database name. Create database and database name. Now syntax written, now execute the query. You write it. By seeing the syntax, write the query. Create database. Create your famous green color coming right. Blue color right here. Create database. Database name. Variable name. Give your batch your year. Naresh IT, February 2025. This month and year. Naresh IT, February 2025 is my database name. Naresh IT, February 2025. Same rules applicable, Chinna. And SQL is a case and issue. Small letter, capital letter, anything will work. Capital create also will works. Capital create also will work, Chinna. Capital database also will work. Okay. It is not a case sensitive. Small capital both will work. Create database. Naresh IT, February 20. Now, in order to run this, you need to select it first. Which line you want to run, you need to select that. Otherwise, total will be execute. Bar execute hota. Which line you want to run it, select it. Getting them online people. Select it. There is the execute is there. Execute. Execute option. Click on it. What happened, ma Sujit? क्या हो रहा है? Sujit, what happened? Now click on execute. Now command completed successfully. One more window आ गया. One more window आ गया. How to open SQL session page? You join late or what? Then you should not say no. You should say that, sir, I joined late. This you should not say answer no. Because the class anyone can understand first time. Maximum second time. When I say understood means you join late. And you are saying, oh, what is that matlab meaning? Sujit. Huh? What is that meaning? Convey properly. What you have. You are not in front of me, especially online people. Go to new query here. Go to new query. Click on that query. How many times you click, that many times it will open, like your Python. Okay? Yeah. So now create database. Select it, ma. Select it. Select it, ma. Select it and click on execute. Select it and click on execute. Select it and click on execute. It will be created, Chinna. Where you can see. Where you can see Object Explorer. The Object Explorer is there, na Chinna? This wala. This wala. Object Explorer. Object Explorer. You're seeing, huh? This Object Explorer. I'll just minimize it. I'll just keep like this side. Here, databases. Databases. You will see your narration February 2025. Everyone able to see? Object Explorer. Object. In the Object Explorer. Last Murthy, చూసుకో ఆ ఏరియా మొత్తం మరి మహేష్ బాబు చూసుకో అక్కడ refresh it ma. Those who are not able to see, refresh it. Those who are not able to see, refresh it ma. Those are not able to see, refresh it. Successfully landed, huh? Safe landing ho gaya na? Online people, understood now the UI? Very good, very good. So database is done. Next क्या create करना? Before create the table, you need to check your page is on which database. This is mask. Now click on here. Which database is there? There are two options. I go here or change here or command. The command is use database name. Use what is your database name? You need to type it. Next step number 2. We created a database name. What is the database name? Naresh IT. Type it. Naresh IT. What is breaking? I'll check again 1 minute. Now, clear? Online students? Clear Amma now voice? Let's see. Anirudh, kya hua Anirudh? You raise your hand. We created a database name Naresh IT. Naresh IT February 2025. Watch it now. February 2025. All the changes you can able to see here only. Okay. Object Explorer is the main thing. Object Explorer. All the changes you will see here only. Now we want to use the Naresh IT February 2025 database. Now the syntax is what? Use database name. Simple. I told now SQL is dead easy. More than Python. Use like dustbins hota na, use me. Same way. Use database name. That's all. Type it the query. Use Naresh IT. Pop-up will come right, like your same Python variable. Automatically. Naresh IT February 2025. Now select it. Execute it. आ जाएगा. Simple. Very good, very good. Incompatible CPU ma. Use online editor ma. And to that is when your time is there. Under your SQL Express database available, under the database, we created a database. Now can you click on the plasma on database? There's a tables will be available. Tables. And plus. Tables. There's some system tables, file tables, external tables, graph tables are available. But we did not create any table. Now we'll create it, go there. Multiple tables are available here. Multiple tables also you can create. Similarly, multiple databases are here. Multiple databases we can create. Samjha? So which database you are using? Only that is important. So next, we'll create the database. Sorry, we'll create the table. Now write the syntax. Create table. This only they will ask in interview. Only syntax is only they will ask in the interview. Tell me how to create the table. It is very simple. Create a table. Create a database. Create a table. Same flow. Which name? Table name. How many columns? Column number 1. What is the data type? Column number 2. What is the data type? Column number 3. What is the data type? Integer, float, string नहीं होता, character होता, character, char. Create a table, table name. 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 Bracket open, bracket close. Like this. Create a database. Create a database. Database name. Similarly, बोलो, create table, table name. Table का क्या चाहिए? Column चाहिए. Column also which type? Column 1 data type, comma column 2 data type, comma column 3 data type. Simple. The simple query. Noted, huh? You are in the narration February 2025. Always check this, ra. Other will confuse again. This table किधर गया? This table should be your database. What is your database? Narration February 2025. Create the table. First you create it. I will give another one. Create a table. There is no indentations. There is no one-liners. Nothing. You can give anything. Okay, gap you can give, don't give the gap, single and melico, anything is possible, ma. Create table, student details, student ID, integer, student name, varchar. Varchar 255 means variable character, 255 letters you can give up to 255 characters. Suppose my name is Omkar. How many characters? 5. Like that. So you can go up to 255. Student marks float. Create table, student details, student ID. Very good. When you are attend classes, long time no see. How you get exam? Student name and the student marks. Select it, execute it. Command completed successfully. Where to check ma? Go to narration February 2025. Go to tables, refresh it. refresh it, database, refresh it February 2025, tables, and you can able to see the name DBO, database operation dot student details. Able to see that's very easy, na re? Jujube. Nothing is there in that. I told now, SQL is very easy. Data science and AI is easy. Only thing is student will not practice. Those who practice, it become easy. Now, chalo, create one more table, employee table. Employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. Create one more table. Employee table. Employee name चाहिए, ID चाहिए, name चाहिए, salary चाहिए. Do it, do it. A good student will copy and then he will create another one fast. You are a good student or not? No. Yes, bolo na re. Rutik, you message yesterday. Normal only or what? Ranjan, very good. Ranjan, long time no see. You also. How are you? Bansal, you are attending every day. Easy, easy. Learn extra. Learn extra after going home. You know now SQL. Slowly. Learn new things. Execute it and do this because in India, SQL is a very common thing. People are expecting that you have that skill in India. Very good. Now next one is select the table. Next one is select the table. Select the table. To see the output, to view the table output, to view the table, it is very important syntax. Very important syntax. Table is not created means my object flow explorer or your object explorer. मैं क्या note करना? Please note table is not created. What should I note, ma? You are informing me that you are not able to create the table. Or you are saying I should note down. This is coming. Shilpa. When you run that command, it's coming. Refresh it. You have refreshed. रिफ्रेश करो माँ, रिफ्रेश करो, let me know. This syntax still not coming. You want to share the screen? Let's see if Shilpa has problem. Raise your hand. Shall I make you present? Share your screen. No, close narration February 2025. No, not that. Shilpa, databases, close it, ma. Databases, Object Explorer, databases, close it. Wait, go slowly, slowly. What I observe is, when I am sharing the screen, boys are going very slowly, girls are not going slowly. They are going very fast. That pattern I observed. Okay. Before I telling only, they are clicking. Okay, ma. Wait, listen that. Now refresh it. Refreshed. Now open the database. Click on the narration February 2025. Go to tables. आ गया ना माँ? Employee details, student details you created or employee details you changed? How student details आ गया? Your code is not there, student details. Just now you modified employee details. Open notepad. Open notepad in your laptop. Sir, now I am doing. Then how student details आ गया? अच्छा, you deleted that command, okay, now no problem, right? Now what is the problem you are now feeling like? Did you observe what is the problem? Did you observe what is the problem, Shilpa? Refresh karna. It seems you created so many tables. How you miss this? So many tables, so many databases are there in your laptop. You know already SQL? Your husband? Acha, take care. Thank you. Refresh it, Chinna. Refresh it. आ जाएगा. Once command successfully मतलब इधर देखो चिन्ना रे इधर check this database name first. Master is there, your database is there. That is the rule number 1. That should not be master. That should not be master. And that is the common silly mistake people will do. And next to refresh always. Always refresh it. Very good. Everyone able to create the table. Now in order to view the syntax called select star. Select star ma. Select star. This you will do hundreds of times in your project. Select star, like print statement. In Python, we'll do print. Same way, this is select star. Select star. Select star your table name. Select star your table name. Star means all the columns. All the columns will come. The first run it. Sumant, dedicated man. ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో జాబ్ కొట్టాల్సిందే ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయింది సుమంత్. గుడ్ గుడ్. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ టేబుల్ నేమ్. వాట్ యువర్ టేబుల్ నేమ్? స్టూడెంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ అండ్ ఎంప్లాయీ డీటెయిల్స్. Select star. Star means all the columns, ma. Star means all the columns. Data is empty because we did not add a data. Student ID, student name, and student marks. Student ID, student name, student marks. Sir, I want to select particular column. Then give the name. Then give the name. Select student ID, comma student name. I am running these two. So two answers will come. First one is all the columns. Second one is only two columns because I selected only the two columns. I selected only the two columns. Select star from student details. चलो करो employee details करो. Select star employee details. Very good. Okay, na? Next, insert the values. Next one is we are inserting the value. Insert into table name values. Look at the board, ma. First, create a database. What is that? Database name. Next, create a table. Create a table and table name. Table name क्या चाहिए चिन्ना? Column and data type. Column 1 data type. Column 2 data type. Now here third one we are inserting the values. Insert into. Where you want to insert? Table. So क्या चाहिए? Common sense. क्या चाहिए? Table name. What you want to insert? Values. This table, how many columns are there? 3 columns. So that is the first row. That 3 columns means 1 comma name, 1 comma Mahesh comma 1 nothing but whom? Student ID. Mahesh nothing but what? Next marks are 200.50, like that, simple. Now I don't want one row, I want multiple rows. Same like that, second row, comma, third row, and so on. So note on the syntax now. Insert into insert into table name. I want to insert values. How many values means each value nothing but each row. Each row should be columns because we are not mentioning which column. So all the data you need to provide, all the columns. 3 columns, 3 data pakka, otherwise error will come. Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3 data. Insert into let go values, let go. Use your common sense. Insert into student details, table name, values. You can give one by line also, you can give single line also, ma. There is no indentation problem here. You can provide one north, another provide south, nothing will happen. No indentation problem. Insert into student details, values, 1 comma Harsh 100, 2 comma Hemant, 3 comma Shashi 300. Very good, Ranjan. Student details only, na? Student details only. Student details. Refresh. In order to, you can't see the results in the table, my here, Object Explorer. You need to query the table. Select star karo. Select star. Bilal Khan. Select star from student details karo. Pehle a run karo. Then 3 rows will be executed. Command successful will come. 3 rows affected. Always this print. In Python, if you write the answer, you will not able to see answer until unless you use the print statement. Correct? In the SQL, which statement likhna? Select star. Which statement ma? Select star. Able to see the data. In order to see the result, select star karo. Now employee table karo. Suppose Chinna, if you give only, if you give like this, if you miss here 100, you will get error, Chinna. Look at the board. What is coming, ma? Column name or number of supplied values does not match with the table definition. Evening 7 p.m. batch people can relate. In the Pandas data frame, when we want to create a new column, we provide the list of values. The list of values should be matched with the column definition, correct? If you give extra rows or less rows, you will get error. Same way here also. Empty value should be not allowed, Chinna. You look at here. Go to database, go to N.I.T, go to your tables, go to student details. Can you go here like this? Everyone, go to database, go to N.I.T, go to tables, go to your student details, and go to your columns. Go to your columns. Student ID, data type is integer, comma null is there. Null means null value can be allowed, means empty value can be allowed. Empty value allowed. If empty value not allowed, it will display as not null. What will come? Not null. Getting on my online people concept. But you should not provide like this. Even though empty value allowed, don't think like that. If I give two values, automatically third value will come as empty. That will not come because you are saying that insert into student details. You are not mentioning how many columns. You are mentioning total table. Total table means how many columns? 3 columns. So it is expecting 3 values. This is an important interview question. Okay, here null is there. He will ask you, here null is there, then why null value is not coming? Why null value not coming? Because we are writing insert into total table. Total table, how many columns? 3 columns. So pakka it is expect how many values? 3 values. In order to you want only 2 values, you need to mention the column name. Now write it insert into, write that. What is that first name? Column name and column name. Write like this. Insert into, what is the first column name? Student ID, comma student name. Your only 2 values only chahiye na? So here, give inside like this. Column 1, comma, column 2. दे दो. Column 1, comma, column 2 दे दो. Insert into student details. Insert into student details. First column 1, comma, second column. Now select star karo. You don't need to write the command every time, just copy paste and run it. It will come. Column number 1 क्या? Student ID दे दो. Student ID. Automatically coming. Column number 2. Student name. Student name. Bus. Now run it. Now run it. 2 columns, 2 values. Working? run it, one row affected, then query it. In order to see the output, kya karna? You no need to write every time here. Again, select star here, then only I will write. That is not required, Chinna. Order. First I run this. Next I will run this. It will works. Now you see, 1 comma, harsh comma, what is coming? Null. Samjha now? Online students, बोलो रे, क्या हुआ? That is different case. Null will provide different. How many are done? Raise your hands. Very good. All together. Now take a new query, take a new page, do all this together and take a break. Do it first. Take a new page. Take a new page in a new query. Do all together. Fatapat, create a database, use database, create a table, insert a table, and query the table. Do it fast. 5 minutes. Pura will complete. And we'll take a break. Do all together, ma. Take a new page, create table, use database, create a table, insert values, query the table. What name you are giving, ma? Darshan. You are giving varchar name and which number you are providing. Check it. What is your first column? What is your second column? Properly check it. It's simply saying that you are giving some number here in the string data type. Getting Darshan? Permission denied. Master. Why you are creating database, ma? Master is always default, ma. Don't create it. Anjum, create another database. Master is the SQL Server ka database. Yes, ma, Vivek. Sumit Reddy. Here you are providing string. String means only one character, chinna. This Sumit Reddy error, concentrate, ma. Everyone in the class. Everyone in the class, look at the board. When I say look at the board, you should look at the board. Online people and offline people. Look at here. China. Hero. Hey. Look at the board. Now, string or binary data would be truncated in a table. Student details column, student name truncated to S. Because you provided only character or you provided string type. By default, character means only one letter, ma. Only one letter only. You give big number Omkar, if you give O only will come answer. Getting a? So that's why give character minimum 30 characters or varchar. Or varchar. Character size you need to mention. That is the common mistake people will do. When I ask you to look at the board means you need to look at the board. Because anyone can get this error. For not time pass, I am calling you look at the board, look at the board, look at the board. Okay. Next. Yeah. Still anyone getting error, ma? What error you are facing, Bilal? What error? Chalo, ma, you can take the break in 15 minutes. We'll meet it up now 6:32 and we'll meet by 6:48, 6:50. 6:50 le lo. 6:50, ma. Exactly 6:50. Class will not close, Santosh. I will be here only. Oh, that's syntax here. Here. Select to star. What you are doing? This is different, this is different. Okay, first of all. So what you are running? This one, na? You are in which database? Which database you are doing? Master, everything. पहले यो करना ना पहले वो करना ना in narration February your table is available. Where is the table? First of all, from starting onwards you are doing master only, ma. Why you are doing master? That only I am telling. Don't do in master. Starting onwards I am telling that only, no, ma. You created a database, you need to use that. You created, the database you created. Where is your use statement? Use statement we written, na? Look at the board. Second one only use. You need to change the database first. Now you created the table. Now table आता. Now refresh it. Which database you are working, you need to be very, very careful. See, आ गया ना? Now run everything, it will work. Preetham, same class. Yesterday you did not attended the class, Preetham. Syntax error, ma Bilal Khan. There is a syntax error. Values. Exactly check the syntax, Bilal Khan. Exactly type like this. Syntax error. Pritham, we will continue same class only every Saturday, 5 to 8. మెయిన్లో మళ్ళీ ఇవి ఎక్కడ ఇస్తున్నావు? వేరియబుల్ ఎక్కడ పాస్ చేస్తాను? వేరియబుల్ ఏవి? వేరియబుల్ డేటా డేటా ఏదిరా? అచ్చా యువర్ ఇక్కడ లోపల హార్డ్ కోడ్ ఇచ్చినావు అన్ని అట్లా కాదు. ఇక్కడ నీకు ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ వేరియబుల్ ఇక్కడ డేటా రావాలి, ఫైల్ పాత్ ఇక్కడ రావాలి నీకు. ఇక్కడ అక్కడ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడికి రాదు. ఇక్కడ కాల్ చేయాలి మనం. ఓఎస్ డాట్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ గిట్ అని రాయలేదా పొద్దున? వాడు ఒక్కొక్క దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చేంజ్ చేయమంటావు వాడిని. ఇదే లైను ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ డేటా అనే ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ నీకు డేటా అనే ఉండాలి, సెల్ఫ్ డేటా అని ఉండాలి అంతే. సెల్ఫ్ డాట్ ఫైల్ పాత్ అనే ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ ఈ లైన్ మొత్తం మెయిన్లో ఉండాలి అంతే, ఒకటేసారి. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక్కసారి రాత సరిపోతే కానీ 5 సార్లు రాసి ఉంటావు ఇప్పుడు. అది తర్వాత డేటా చెక్స్ లో మొదలు డేటా బార్ చార్ట్ లో కానీ సేమ్ అదే మెయిన్ లో రాయాలి. సేమ్ అదే ఫైల్ మెయిన్ లో రాయాలి. నాకు అర్థమైంది, అది వర్క్ అవుతుంది. చేంజ్ చేయలేము.
తనకి ఇంకో డేటా కావాలంటే ఈఎన్విలో చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది కదా.
సేమ్ అదే ఈఎన్వి ఫైల్ ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ రావాలి మెయిన్ లో. దాని పేరు అదే అందుకే మెయిన్ స్విచ్ బోర్డు.
క్లయింట్ వేరేది కావాలంటే ఈఎన్విలో
చేంజ్ చేయాలి, సరిపోతుంది. కానీ నువ్వు కరెక్టే రాసినావు, నేను తప్పట్లేను. కానీ వరల్డ్ మొత్తం ఒకటేలా ఫాలో అవుతుంది. ఎట్లా? ఈ ఓఎస్ డాట్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ఫైల్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ లైన్ మెయిన్ లో పాస్ చేసుకుంటారు వాళ్ళు అందరు. ఇక్కడ చూస్తారు కోడ్. ఇవి సబ్ ఫైల్స్ ఇవి. అర్థమైందా? నువ్వు వేసింది కరెక్టే, కానీ ఈ లైన్ ఇక్కడ ఉండద్దు. ఈ లైన్ మెయిన్ ఫైల్లోనే ఉండాలి. తేడా ఏం లేదు కాదు, అందరు ఒకటి వాడతారు. అందరు రోడ్డుకి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పోతారు, నేను రైట్ సైడ్ పోతా అంటే తీసుకుంటుంది. కరెక్టేనాని? కానీ అందరు ఫాలో, మీరు చేసింది కరెక్టే, కానీ అందరు ఫాలో అయ్యేటట్టు ఫాలో కండి అని చెప్తున్నా. రేపు మీ మేనేజర్ అట్లా చెప్తే రేపు మీ మేనేజర్ డిబేట్ చేస్తారా? ఇక్కడే ఉండాలి అంతే. మెయిన్ ఫైల్ ఇక్కడనే ఉండాలి. మెయిన్ ఫైల్ లోనే ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ఫైల్స్ ఉండాలి. అది ఉండాలి, డేటా రీడ్ ఉండాలి. కానీ డేటా రీడ్ లో ఈ లైన్ ఉండద్దు. ఈ లైన్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ 2 లైన్లు ఇక్కడ రావాలి, ఇక్కడ రావాలి. ఈ 2 లైన్లు ఫైల్ పాత్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇది ఇలా ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు నీకేమవుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు ఫైల్ పాత్ అనేది డేటా రీడ్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ డేటా రీడ్ లో ఫంక్షన్ లో పాస్ కావాలి. పాస్ అవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు డేటా రీడ్ లో నువ్వేం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ పాత్ అని పెట్టాలి. ఇక్కడ అప్పుడు ఇది పోయి అప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మెయిన్ రన్ కావాలి. మెయిన్ స్విచ్ బోర్డ్ అని పేరు ఎందుకు పెట్టాం? అందుకే కదా, అది ప్రొసీజర్, అట్లా చేయాలి. Sorry, Ray, sorry, online people. I came long back. Now okay, fine. Yeah, sorry. So table architecture is completed, ma. Table is completed. Column is developed and rows also done. But we already seen in the object explorer, when you click on the columns, there's a data type is there and there's a null is there, null. That means while create the table itself, we can change the column behaviors. What are the column behaviors? For example, here ID number 1, here Ramesh, here 20 marks, here ID number 2, here Suresh, here 40 marks. Then here automatically which ID will come? Which ID will come automatically? 3. Correct? So 3 is coming, that we everyone knows, so that we can tell to SQL query also. So no need to provide the ID. For each row you automatically update it. Like that we need to convey to the table. So no, I will not provide the column number, ID number. You update it automatically. That is called behavior number 1. And providing the null values, suppose that's the behavior number 1. Imagine that. There's a one column called city column is there. One column is called city column is there. Ramesh coming from Hyderabad. Suresh coming from Hyderabad. And Mahesh also coming from Hyderabad. So who is default here? We can keep that Hyderabad fixed also. Like that we can put some behaviors while developing the columns. Samjha? So that will work on now. Behavior number 1. Case number 1. Identity column. Identity column. Case number 1. Identity column. Identity column. Identity 1, 1. Identity 1, 1 means start with 1, increment by 1. Identity 5, 2 means start with 5, increment by 2. Here for I in range is there, na? Same like that only, similar but not exactly. Identity. Start 1, increment 1. Identity. Start 5, increment 2. While creating the table only, we need to provide this. Look at the board. Just create a new table. Employee details, employee ID, you give employee details 1. Employee details 1 table. You already created employee details, na? Employee details 1. Look at the board. Employee ID integer. While integer only, what we are providing? Identity matlab kya? automatically for each and every row, the ID column will be, number will be added. ID number will be added. Note down it. EID. Without seeing, write it, Roy. The third time you are practicing. Create table. The queries only they will ask in interview. Create table, employee details. Create table, employee details. Create table, employee details, EID, integer, identity 1, 1, next E name, varchar 30, E salary, float. Make sure that your database name should not be master. Okay, na? First, don't execute any values, right? One by go. First, run this. First, run this. Run this first. Then table created. Now check the behavior in the Object Explorer. Check the behavior in the Object Explorer. Refresh it. Go to database. Go to narration February 2025. Go to tables. And go to employee details. Go to columns. Now you will see not null, you will see. Not null. Not null, you will see. This time. Checking, huh? Not null. What we have written here, just look at the board. Yeah, look at the board, Sina. Understand this. Behaviors are very, very important. These are they will ask in the interview. Ma. I am creating a table. I am creating a table. What is the table name, Chinna? Table name is what? Employee details. Employee details. In that, how many columns? 3 columns. How many columns? So what is that? EID is the one column. E name is the another column. E salary is the another column. Now I want to insert the values. What is the insert command? Bolo. Insert into table name, employee details, values. Value you people are giving values, bracket open, bracket close. Now I am inserting the data into entire table. Table has how many columns? So 1 comma, generally what I will write? 1 comma, name Ramesh comma, salary 25,000. Now you no need to provide 1. That is called behavior. Why? Identity means automatically start with what? And automatically it will update for each and every row. So 2 values is enough. Before, if you give only 2 values, you will get error, correct? Now you will not get error because we are modify the behavior. What is the behavior? Identity. Now next comma, Suresh. Suresh comma 30,000. Automatically number 2 will come. That is the meaning of identity column. So it could be not null. Check it now. Check the values now. Check the values. Create table, insert into select star. In order to print, in order to see the values, select star. Identity column. Working? Select star karo. Select star. Run this. Two values. Now select star. Automatically 1 2 आ गया. Automatically 1 2 आ गया. Okay, now online people, online students, everyone is good. Chinna, can you give 3 values? What happen? Error will come, answer will come. Suppose same code, you given some 5 comma Mukesh. What is coming? Error will come, answer will come. Check it. Like that, you need to cross check it, Chinna, because you know the drill, how to learn, right? Everything you need to be research. And the error can be understood by anyone because you know the concept. Error, yeah? What is error coming? Incorrect. Ray, incorrect syntax is your error, not my error. Syntax error is Haura, Devda. An explicit value per identity column can only be specified. Specific column list. You understood, right? Here you will get error. Type it, error will come. Don't do syntax errors. That is the number 1 behavior. Now, do this. Checkpoint kar diya. Now, give only one column, give only one value. So now look at the board, ma. Look at the board, Chinna. Here, how many values we are providing here? E-salary. E-salary means automatically 3 should come, correct? 3. Automatically it should be updated because already updated 1 comma 2. E-salary kitna? 70,000. Sorry, name. E-salary kitna? 70,000. So now name is there, what now? Name is what will come now? Null should aana chahiye. Because in the column behavior, there is a null is there. Not null is not there, correct? Go to the tables again. Go to tables. Go to, click on your table. Click on your table. Check the columns. In the columns, there is a EID will be there. EID bracket low integer comma not null will be there. But ename where character comma null available. Null means null value can be allowed. Null value can be allowed. You are providing only one column value. Automatically ID become 3. Automatically name become what happen? Null. Automatically name become what happen? Null. Check it. Check it. No ma. Not like that. A to Z will not work. I'm running this. One row affected. Again I'm running this. This time 3 comma null comma 70k. ఏం లేదు చిన్న ఇక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ ఇస్తున్నావు ఎర్రరా ఎర్రర్ అనేది ఎంప్లాయీ డీటెయిల్స్ అనేది ఇన్సర్ట్ ఇంటూ అని ఉంది కదా ఇన్సర్ట్ ఇంటూ అంటే టోటల్ టేబుల్ కదా టోటల్ టేబుల్ ఎన్ని కాలమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అప్పుడు ఎన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తున్నావు అప్పుడు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది కామన్ సెన్స్ కరెక్టా అంతే మనం 2 వాల్యూస్ ఇవ్వచ్చు 3 వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చినా ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది ఎందుకు ఎందుకు ఇంకోటి ఐడెంటిటీ కాలం వెరీ గుడ్ if you give 3 values you will get error. If you give single value you will get error. You need to mention the column name which value you want to provide it. Insert into total table. It is very simple. When we have a 3 kids is there. Now you are saying to your friend, I have given 100 crores to my family. 100 crores to my family means how many kids will share will happen? 3 kids, na? Otherwise, no, I am not giving means you, if you want to mention I given only 2 kids means you will mention the kid names or what? Definitely will mention or not? So I don't like the third kid. He is the chichora guy. I did not give anything to him. I given to my elder son and the middle guy. Like that will mention or not? Insert into family matlab everyone will take. Everyone should answer. No, I am not given to family. I am given to specific means you need to give specific name mention. You need to provide it. Samjha? Very good. Very good. Always lend the subject by using with the examples. Put some common sense. Because subject is not a rocket science. Why will people use it's not rocket science? They will use because after you going hawa mein, it will what will happen we doesn't know. Even you tested very well also after going it will might be fail without any reason. Why without any reason? Because we are not presenting there, na. That's why whenever you don't know without any reason means people will say it is not. It is a rocket science. It is not a rocket science means everyone can learn. Everyone can learn the subject. Next, very good. Sir, I will give directly null. I'll give directly null. Then what will come? Error will come or answer will come? Check it. Instead of giving that 70,000, direct error will come. Now we'll provide the two values, but second value will provide null. Answer will come, error will come. Check it. Employee details has 3 columns. In that one column is not mandatory to give. So 2 values I am providing. In that one value I am providing what? Null. Another value 70,000. It is coming answer or error. Check it. Now null and 70,000. Look at the board now. Ek bar one more time. One more time, China. Insert into employee details. Insert into employee details. Insert into employee details. Insert into salary. Now look at the board. First, here I am giving Ramesh, comma 70,000. Here I am giving 1 comma Ramesh, comma 70,000. Here I am giving only 70,000. Here I am giving 70,000. Here I am giving null comma 70,000. Which one works? Which one fail? First one works or fail? Second one? Third one? Fourth one? Fifth one? That's called, that is the subject. Simple. Like that only they will ask in interview. Samjha? All 5 checks. All 5 checks. Because of identity column, one is default. If you provide explicitly, error. You are inserting all the values into table, but you are providing only one value. You are selling that especially one column, one value. You are providing into the table 2 values. You are mentioning one column is not present, another one is you are giving. Simple. Very good, very good. And all together. All together. Answer. Error. Error. Answer. And answer. That's all. నెక్స్ట్ ఓకేనమ్మా, మూవ్ నెక్స్ట్. రైట్ మా, కాలమ్ డెఫినేషన్. EID int of not null. It is an integer data type, null values are not allowed. Write the column definition ma, column definition. Column definition chinna. Column definition. It is integer data type and null values are not allowed. Kindly help to your friends in the group ma, online and offline. Please be collaborate always. Discuss only healthy discussion. If anything you doesn't like, if any problem is there, personally call to me, message me. Don't encourage in the group. Group should be always a healthy discussion, especially online students. Employees, kindly take the initiative and please be responsible for the group people. Yes, Sneha, how are you? Take your seat. Take your seat. అయిపోయింది, అన్ని సినిమాలన్నీ కవర్ చేసినావా? అన్ని మూవీస్ అన్ని కవర్ చేసి వచ్చినావా? It is a float data type, null values are allowed. Very good, very good. So you understood the column definitions. You understood how to create it, how to insert the values. While you are inserting, you need to be very, very careful. Total data or specific data. While defining the columns, be careful about where character. If you give only character, only one letter will come. That's a very, very careful. Next, case 2. We can specifically provide this column should be not null. We can specifically provide this column should be not null chilla. Not null column. Not null means the specified columns should not contain null values. We can specifically provide that is. I am creating a table called product. One is identity column. Another one is normal. Third one is city. City I am initiating not null. I am mentioning that. ఎందుకు వచ్చిందా బాబు క్లాస్ అనుకుంటారా? అరే పాపం, ఎంత కష్టమా నీకు? స్కూటీ నడిపినావా లేకపోతే ఫ్లైటా? ఏం కాదులేమ్మా, కొంచెం కష్టపడితే అయిపోయా, లైఫ్ హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు అల్లు అర్జున్ ఉన్నాడు స్టార్టింగ్లో, కష్టపడలేదా? అంతే అంతే, పిచ్చి పిచ్చి సినిమాలు అన్నీ తీయాలి. Create table product ID. Product ID, identity column, product name, product city. Now use your common sense and tell me in which cases error will come. Try it. Which cases it will success and which cases it will give error and why. We already written some 5 cases in the above. Use your common sense. Which cases it will give error, which cases will not give the error. Bilal Khan, everything is good, ma? What happened? Saying sorry. Yes, okay. What is the iftar time in the Saudi? Same, like here. Same, everywhere in the total world. Different, How you will decide the time? Sunset, that's all. To iftar, we have to 20 minutes. Eid means every Eid I will get some, that is, that is that paisam. What is called paisam in Hindi? Kheer, Kheer. Surukumba. Surukumba. Shirkumba. Acha. That's very good. Always. Full tasty. Instead of that halim, I think that also they need to sell. Halim plus that. Hot to sweet. Tomorrow I am going to eat halim. ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం రేపే ఫస్ట్ టైం నీకేటమ్మా నువ్వు సూపర్ ఉమెన్ somebody told Sarvi is better, no? Instead of Pista House. I'll go to Sarvi, Banjara Hills Sarvi, I will try. Kadukka Kir sweet is most famous, We'll make iftar party one day. I will give iftar party for you. Okay. I will not you, I will give. Okay. all will go. We'll all will go to iftar. For nice restaurant will go. But only offline students only. Online is not possible. You also want to come? Yes, welcome. Chalo ma. Here, identity column, null available or not available? Null. Null or not null? Not null. Even though not null, if you give value, it will take or not take? If you give value. If you give value explicitly, error will come, answer? Error will come. Very good. Next to product name. Product name, null or not null? Null can be allow. Null allowed. Next to product city. Not null. Product city, not null, which means I am giving this example again here. Same example, same. Now what is the name? Product, only product. Try everything like this. Product, here also product, here also product, here also product, here also product. Now, so first one is what? Product means, what is the name? Name of it, product name, car, I am giving Hyderabad Chinna. I am giving Hyderabad. Next to 1 comma, bus comma, Pune. Next to product values. What is the only one I am giving? Suppose I am giving only a scooty. Then I am giving that product name. I am giving the scooty. And here I am giving the scooty, comma, null. First one works or fail? Works. Second one? Fail. Third one? Blind shot. It is fail only because product into next. Fourth one? Works or fail? If you said works means then last one should be null aana chahiye na? But last one is what? Null or not null? So what happened it is? Pakka fail. That is the column definition, na? It should be not null. It should be not null. Now last one what happened? If you provide explicitly null also, what will happen? Fail. Try this solve. Try all the cases. This is working. Insert into car Mumbai. First I need to run now. Insert into run. Yes, working. Select to start from product. Yes, one aa gaya. Next I'm giving only product name. Product name, this will give what happen? Error will come. Why error? Because cannot insert null into which city? City column. That is the special case. And third one, also error. Because explicitly we are providing what? Null. Give this. Null and Chennai. Works or fail? Very good. All you need to check it. All type. Product city. City you are giving Bangalore. Like this, you need to check all cases. Which one works, which one fail, you need to check it. First, you need to think like common sense. And then you need to execute each and everything. Because you know the column definition, you know the drill. SQL is there, Python is there. Huh? Loudly. Python, huh? Thank God. SQL is no brain use, that much. Brain use hota, but difficult. Toughest queries also will write it. That is so much experience people can able to do. But for us, itna toughest queries is not required. They will write 1 page, 2 page queries also. Merge multiple columns, multiple tables. That will come by practice. Complex queries are very hard to understand also. Slowly आना चाहिए. Identity column equal to primary key kind of ma. Yes. Now case 3. Default column. After case 3, we'll close the session. Default column. Tomorrow you need to practice all these things. And 7 p.m. batch people, Monday you have exam is there. Question paper number 2, previous question paper. At any cost, you need to crack in that exam, Naresh exam. Many people got selected because of Naresh companies. Tomorrow no class, ma. Tomorrow Sunday, na. Generally Sundays workshop will be available, but no workshop because next week exam is there, na. We'll get some time to prepare. రాయలేదు ఇంకా అరే చిన్న కేసరియా కేసరి ఏమైంది కేసరి ఇంకా మనం వెళ్ళలేదు ఇది అయిపోయిందా షల్ ఐ మూవ్ నెక్స్ట్ మా ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యా కేసరి default column means in the third one I am providing a default to Hyderabad. Check the column definition. Once it run, go to the object explorer, check it, not null available or null available. That is, you need to keep on understand that is. Like in the Python, we'll do shift tab na in the functions. Same way here also, you need to go to here. Identity column we are using, case 1, case 2 not null we are using. Now case 3 we are adding what? Default Hyderabad. Default Hyderabad. Identity column, not null column, and a default column. Everyday practice is required, Chinna. Everyday practice karna. In the starting days, you are not up to the mark, but slowly you are improvising. You need to continue the same, especially 5:30 p.m. batch people. You will get errors. You need to rectify it. You need to practice it. I'm running this. Once you run this, immediately go to the table definition, refresh it, go to the table definition, go to the tables, product number 1, columns, check it, First one is no null. Second one is again not null. But third one is what happened? Even though it is a default column, we can provide what? Null. We can provide what? Null ma. Which means now select star करो एक बार. Select star from product 1. Three behaviors are there. Product ID value automatically will increase. Product ID value automatically will increase. Product city always what? Hyderabad. So we need to mention explicitly which value you want to insert. If you want to change Hyderabad, you can change it. If you don't give Hyderabad, it will give Hyderabad. Now check all the cases. Check all the cases by your own. First at the successful case. Explicitly mention the product name. Look at the board. Product 1, product 1, product 1, product 1, product 1. Clear Amma? Vedanti voice. First one badao china works of fail. First one. Why fail? If you don't provide Hyderabad china, if you provide it will change. Because what is the column definition is there? Null available or not available? Null available means another city also available, na? Null available means another city also available. Because null is available. So even though you provided Bangalore also, it will works. Second one, fail. Third one blind shot always. That's what happened. Fail. Fourth one, what is the answer will come? Scooty and Hyderabad will come. Scooty and by default Hyderabad. Here null not will not. By default what will come? Hyderabad. You need to provide explicitly. Null chahiye to you need to provide explicitly. Provide the null. Either explicitly provide the different city name. It will work. Or explicitly provide the null value. It will take. But I am inserting only one product, then automatically by default what will take? Hyderabad. That is the definition. Check it. Check all. Check all the cases, ma. Check all type of cases. You don't need me now. చెక్ ఆల్ ద కేసెస్ మా.
గ్రీన్ కలర్ వస్తుంది సార్, కలర్స్ వస్తుంది.
క్లోజ్ చేయాలి.
పైన మంచిగా ఉంది, మళ్ళీ
ఎక్కడో ఓవర్ రేట్ అయిపోయింది.
ఈడ స్టార్ట్ చేసినాను, ఈడ క్లోజ్ చేసిన. అవన్నీ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసి వస్తున్నాయి.
అవునా?
వచ్చినాయి, ఇంకో టేబుల్ రన్ అవుతుంది.
ఎక్కడో ఓవర్ రేట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది.
క్లోజ్ చేసి ఓపెన్ చేసి అటెండ్ వస్తుంది. రన్ కావద్దు కదా సార్, ఒకవేళ గ్రీన్ కలర్ వస్తే.
రావద్దు కామెంట్, అది చూడాలి. ఫస్ట్ టైం వస్తుంది ఇట్లా. ఏదో ఏదో డ్రాబ్యాక్ ఉన్నట్టుంది బ్యాక్ ఎండ్లో డ్రాబ్యాక్ ఉన్నట్టుంది. అదే ఏదో ఓవర్ రేట్ అవుతుంది అప్పుడప్పుడు, అన్నోన్ రీజన్స్ ఉంటాయి, సరే మనం ఏం చేయలేము.
దానివల్ల ప్రాబ్లం
ఏముండదు, ఎంజాయ్. చలో చిన్న, లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్. I forgot one thing. There's a yellow color is there. You see right, ra? Yellow. We don't want yellow. Means file is not saved. File is control S karo. When you do control S, automatically your laptop page open hota. What is the name you want to give? For example, I am writing here, suppose control S. Your laptop is open or not? Laptop page. What is the name? Table create SQL session number 1. SQL session number 1. Check it where it is happening in documents. Where you want to save it. Properly create the folder and save it. Okay. Once you done, green color will come. Once you done, green will come. Green means saved. Yellow means not saved. Not like that, ma. Successfully only it will be increased. Ranjan. Unsaved line also yellow. After saving. Simple, ma, Vivek. You are saving. Tomorrow, if anyone asks you, show me your SQL query, how can you show that? Don't dig you blind shots always. Just click on save. Then after forget. I don't know where it is saved. Don't behave like a kids. Create a proper folder first in your local laptop. Suppose the documents in the Naresh IT. Here you create it. Control Shift N. SQL sessions. Then go to the SQL sessions. Now save it. Like that properly create karo. Successful run is 1 car Hyderabad. That's was successful. Automatically next 4 is coming. So this is the one. Because here already 2 is there. Now 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. 3 rows inserted, na Chinna, Ranjan. See? You are feeling it is all or 1. No, ma. 3 rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Getting Ranjan? You are feeling that is all are single rows. See, row 1, row 2, row 3. Which query? You do one by one, you will get it. See, I can rectify that, but you are not understanding. Don't run all together. You are selecting and run all. Go one by one and check the answer. And now select start product karo. Show me, check your output. How many rows are coming? Only 2 rows only there. In 2 rows, one value is coming 1, another one is 4. One car Hyderabad. Wait, I will ask you share the screen. We'll do that. Chalo ma, that's all today's session ma. Okay, practice it. And next week we will continue the remaining part. Complete table is created. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Ranjan, today pakka. Subrat ji, today pakka will call you. Yesterday I was a little tired after went home. Today pakka. Share the screen, Sharma. Ranjan. Rajendra, thanks ma. Chalo online people, thank you. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. One आ गए, next 4 आ गए ना. Fourth one किधर है? One minute. That is the fourth one ना. अच्छा एक बार now run करो. नहीं वो sentence run करो. वो sentence run करो. हाँ run करो. now select star करो. नहीं select star करो. Hmm. 11 is coming. Okay. Next error करो. Second one error. Next run करो. Successful run करो next. Last one run करो. पढ़े तो आ रहा. पढ़े तो. Now select it. Up to 12 is coming na now. 30, your logic 13 should come na. Now your logic 15 should come na. Something you have did somewhere. If your logic is correct, everything should come आना चाहिए ना. अच्छा, where it is coming 14? Which line? That line ना. That line is taking automatically 14 गया ना. Good analysis. I will check in my laptop once. Thank you so much. We'll check it. We'll check and let back you. Thanks Ranjan. करो ना. గ్రూప్ లో పెడతా. అదే డీటెయిల్స్ వచ్చినాక పెడదామని. ఫ్రెషర్స్ మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. ఇప్పుడు నన్ను సాగు కొడతారు ఇక. సార్ ఫ్రెషర్సా ఎక్స్పీరియన్సా ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు అది ఉందా ఇది ఉందా ఉంది. ఖచ్చితంగా డ్రైవ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే డ్రైవ్ ఉంది. కాగ్నిజెంట్లో ఉంది ఖచ్చితంగా. నేను ప్యానెల్లో నాకు బిజీ షెడ్యూల్ లేకుంటే యాడ్ చేసుకుంటా. ప్యానెల్లో బిజీ ఉంటే యాడ్ చేసుకోను. నేను ఉంటే నేను చేస్తాను ఏదో ఒకటి అట్లా. सर कितना सर रेफरल लेटर्स मांग रहा है. Referrals sir? कंपनी का. अच्छा. That I don't know. Generally I got, I will share. That's all. Okay. Yeah. If you go to LinkedIn, yeah. Go to LinkedIn. Yeah, go. And search who is employees in that. Ask them to reference. I will get like this. So like the people will ask like that. They will share like. I don't know him, but he is sharing that I am reaching out regarding one of my friends. He needs referral in your organization. Like that. చేస్తా కొంచెం గుర్తే చందన్ టుడే I will upload. That one I am talking. After going home I will upload.
about that project, I'll make some document on that and we'll discuss.
First to make the document, then we will create some progress, and that will then only can able to tokenize the entire. That is the working project, no? ఎప్పుడు ఉంది ఎగ్జామ్?
18th.
ఇక్కడే కదా చేద్దాం. 18th అంటే వెన్స్డే.
నేను చెప్పాను కదా